Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a transformative concept that could change your life. How to stop chasing and start attracting what's truly meant for you. Imagine a life where you're no longer running after things, people, or opportunities, but instead, you're effortlessly drawing them towards you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the wisdom we impact here on this channel, this dream can become your reality. All right, my friends, let's get real. Have you ever felt exhausted from trying to force things to happen? Maybe you're constantly reaching out to people who don't reciprocate, chasing opportunities that slip away, or trying to make relationships work that always seem to fall apart. It's draining, isn't it? But here's the good news. You don't have to live like that. Even the great men like Marcus Aurelius believed in the power of attraction over force. Let's kick things off with a powerful quote that will set the tone for our journey today. What's meant for you will come to you when you're not pushing or forcing it. That's right. When you stop chasing and start living in alignment with your true self, you create a magnetic force that attracts the right things, people, and opportunities into your life. Imagine this. You're living your life, focusing on your growth, happiness, and well-being. Suddenly, the right people start appearing, opportunities knock on your door, and everything you've been yearning for begins to flow effortlessly into your life. Sounds magical, right? Well, it's not magic, but before we dive into the 10 principles that will help you attract what's meant for you, let's first understand the difference between chasing and attracting. Why? Because this shift in mindset is the foundation of our journey. Today, when you understand that chasing is rooted in scarcity and fear, while attracting is grounded in abundance and confidence, you'll see how powerful this transformation can be. Chasing is like running on a treadmill. You exert a lot of energy, but don't really get anywhere. It's exhausting and often leads to frustration and disappointment. When you're chasing after someone or something, it sends a signal that you're lacking and desperate. For example, if you're constantly texting someone who doesn't respond, you're chasing. This behavior can push people away because it feels needy and overbearing. As Epictetus wisely put it, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. By continually chasing, you highlight your wants and deficiencies. On the other hand, attracting is about living your life with confidence and self-assurance, knowing that what's meant for you will come naturally. It's like being a lighthouse, steady, strong, and effortlessly drawing ships towards your light. When you focus on your growth and happiness, you radiate positive energy that others find irresistible. For instance, instead of chasing after a partner who's not interested, focus on becoming the best version of yourself. When you're happy and fulfilled, you naturally attract people who appreciate and value you. As Marcus Aurelius said, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. By cultivating an abundant and confident mindset, you attract abundance and confidence into your life. So let's embrace this powerful shift from chasing to attracting. It's not about giving up on your desires, but aligning your actions and mindset with the belief that you are worthy of receiving them effortlessly. This transformation will not only enhance your personal well-being, but also make you a magnet for the right people and opportunities, ready to transform your approach and start living a life where what's meant for you simply finds you. Let's dive into those 10 powerful principles that will help you become a magnet for what you desire. But before we get started, here's a little fun task for you. Drop a comment below with the words, "I am a magnet." This simple affirmation will help you throughout your journey. First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. So go ahead, first say this to yourself and leave it in the comments too, as this will also help others boost their journey. Remember, helping others is the best thing to do. Let's go. Number 1, let go of fear. Letting go of fear will make you a magnet for the right people, opportunities, and experiences. Fear acts as a barrier, blocking your natural ability to attract what's meant for you. When you're driven by fear, you often make decisions based on insecurity, doubt, and anxiety. This can lead to missed opportunities and strained relationships. By letting go of fear, you create space for confidence, courage, and authenticity to flourish, making you more attractive and compelling to others. Fear often manifests in various aspects of our lives, especially in relationships. It might be the fear of rejection, the fear of being alone, or the fear of not being good enough. These fears can cause you to cling to relationships that are not healthy, or chase after people who do not reciprocate your feelings. As Epictetus said, "He who is not a slave to fear is truly free." By releasing these fears, you free yourself from the chains that hold you back, allowing you to attract genuine connections based on mutual respect and love. Imagine you're in a relationship where you're constantly afraid of being left or not being appreciated. This fear can make you act out of character, leading to overbearing behaviors or pushing your partner away. Instead, by letting go of this fear, you start to value yourself more and approach the relationship with confidence and self-assurance. Your partner will notice this change and will be more likely to appreciate and reciprocate your genuine self. This shift from fear to confidence transforms the dynamic, making the relationship stronger and more fulfilling. Letting go of fear also applies to your personal growth and ambitions. When you're not afraid to take risks or fail, you become more open to exploring new opportunities and challenging yourself. This boldness and willingness to step out of your comfort zone are incredibly attractive qualities. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence and resilience. As you let go of fear, you start to visualize success, set clear intentions, and attract the right opportunities that align with your true self. So, how do you let go of fear? Start by acknowledging your fears and understanding their root causes. Practice mindfulness and self-reflection to identify the fears that hold you back. Once you recognize these fears, challenge them. Ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? Often the scenarios we fear are not as daunting as we imagine. Replace these fears with positive affirmations and focus on the potential for growth and success. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive people who encourage you to be your best self. Engage in activities that build your confidence and remind you of your strengths. Remember, letting go of fear is a continuous journey. But with each step, you become stronger and more magnetic. By letting go of fear, you will find yourself on the journey of becoming a magnet, a strong individual who attracts the right people, opportunities, and experiences effortlessly. As you release fear and embrace confidence, you embody the affirmation, "I am a magnet." This transformation not only enhances your personal well-being, but also makes you an irresistible force that draws positivity and abundance into your life. So take the first step today. Let go of fear and watch how the world around you changes for the better. Friends, in our previous discussion, we talked about how to let go of fear and how it can make you a magnet for the right people, opportunities, and experiences. Now let's dive into our next principle. Visualize success. Picture this. You're standing on a mountaintop looking out over a breathtaking landscape. The journey was tough, filled with challenges and obstacles, but you made it. The feeling of accomplishment washes over you and you realize that every step, every struggle was worth it. This powerful imagery is what visualization can do for you. By visualizing success, you harness the power of your mind to create the reality you desire. Visualization is not just daydreaming, it's a focused and intentional practice. When you visualize success, you're creating a mental image of your goals and aspirations. This mental picture acts as a blueprint for your actions, guiding you towards the outcomes you want. As Marcus Aurelius said, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. By consistently visualizing positive outcomes, you condition your mind to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your vision. Let's take relationships as an example. Imagine the kind of partner you want to attract. Someone who respects you, values your opinions, and shares your interests. Visualize what your life would be like with this person, how you interact, the activities you enjoy together, the mutual support you provide each other. This visualization helps you align your actions and choices with the type of relationship you want to attract. It's about setting a clear intention and letting the universe work its magic. Visualization can also be a powerful tool in professional and personal growth. Let's say you want to achieve a significant milestone in your career. Visualize yourself reaching that goal, giving a successful presentation, receiving accolades, or achieving that promotion. This practice helps build your confidence and prepares your mind for success. It's like a rehearsal for the real thing, making you more prepared and resilient when opportunities arise. To make visualization effective, consistency is key. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goals. Use all your senses to make the mental images as vivid as possible. Feel the emotions of success, hear the sounds of your achievements, see the details of your aspirations coming to life. This practice not only keeps you focused, but also energizes you, making the pursuit of your goals more exciting and fulfilling. So friends, by visualizing success, you're not just dreaming, you're setting a powerful intention for yourself. Now, I will take your journey of your magnetic self by introducing to you 10 cardinal principles to attract what's meant for you. In this transformative journey, you'll discover how to stop chasing and start attracting what truly belongs to you. Imagine being a magnet for genuine relationships, fulfilling experiences, and life-altering opportunities. The secret? Embrace your authenticity, trust the process, and set clear intentions. Today, we delve into 10 principles designed to help you become the person others can't help but think about. You are a magnet when you are true to yourself. When you embrace your authenticity, you naturally draw in people and experiences that resonate with your true essence. Authenticity isn't about perfection, it's about being honest and real, allowing your true self to shine in every aspect of your life. This openness creates a space where genuine relationships and fulfilling experiences flourish. Remember, the more authentic you are, the stronger your magnetic pull becomes. Personal growth and meaningful relationships, like seeds, require time to bloom. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get frustrated when progress seems slow. But as Marcus Aurelius wisely said, no great thing is created suddenly. Patience allows you to appreciate the journey rather than just the destination. Whether you're nurturing a new relationship or pursuing a career goal, trust that each step is valuable and necessary. In relationships, patience is key to building deep, lasting connections. Give relationships time to grow naturally, resisting the urge to rush intimacy. This gradual approach leads to a more solid and enduring bond. The same patience applies to personal and professional goals. Celebrate small achievements and trust that your efforts will pay off even if immediate results aren't visible. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. Setting clear intentions is like having a map that guides your actions and decisions, helping you stay focused and aligned with your goals. Clear intentions act as a powerful magnet, attracting the right people, opportunities, and experiences into your life. In relationships, clear intentions help prevent misunderstandings and ensure that both parties are on the same page. Whether you're looking for a serious commitment or companionship, being clear about your intentions fosters a more authentic and fulfilling connection. The same applies to personal and professional goals. Specific intentions lead to focused actions and, ultimately, success. Imagine looking in the mirror and feeling a deep sense of love and appreciation for the person staring back at you. Self-love is about recognizing your inherent value and treating yourself with kindness and respect. It's not about arrogance, but understanding and appreciating your unique qualities. In relationships, self-love is crucial. When you have a healthy sense of self-worth, you attract partners who recognize and respect your value. This creates a foundation of mutual respect and admiration, leading to healthier and more fulfilling relationships. Self-love also impacts your personal and professional growth. making you more likely to pursue opportunities that align with your true passions and talents. Mindfulness helps you appreciate the current moment and reduces the urge to rush. Engage in activities like meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature to center yourself and build patience. This presence not only fosters patience but also enhances your ability to attract positive outcomes. Let go of the need for immediate validation. Instead of seeking quick rewards or recognition, focus on the intrinsic value of your efforts. Trust that your hard work and dedication will be recognized in due time, even if it's not immediate. This mindset fosters a positive outlook and reduces anxiety about the future. Surround yourself with supportive people. Surround yourself with people who encourage patience and perseverance. Share your journey with friends or mentors who understand the importance of taking things step by step. Their support can reinforce your belief in the process and help you stay motivated. Stay flexible and open to adjustments. While clear intentions provide direction, be willing to adapt as circumstances change. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes you need to recalibrate your intentions to stay aligned with your evolving goals and values. This flexibility ensures that you remain on a path that feels authentic and meaningful. Reflect on your accomplishments. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Keeping a journal of your achievements and positive experiences serves as a reminder of your growth and progress. This practice reinforces your sense of self-worth and motivates you to keep striving for your goals. Commit to your journey. You now have a comprehensive toolkit to transform your life and relationships. Remember, each principle is designed to help you align with your true self and create a magnetic presence that naturally draws the right people and opportunities into your life. By applying these principles, you're not only becoming someone others can't help but think about, but also growing into a more confident, resilient, and genuinely attractive person. The journey to attracting what's meant for you starts with you. It's about embracing your authenticity, nurturing your self-worth, and trusting that what's meant for you will find its way to you. So friends, before you go, let's make a commitment. Type "I will make myself a magnet" in the comments section below to let us know you're ready to be the person who's missed, not just today, but every day. Your journey to becoming valued starts now. Thanks for watching. And here's to a magnetic future filled with everything you truly deserve. Don't forget to hit that like button, share our video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting episodes.